Hi. So summers are here and we all have the tendency to miss ice creams and popsicles and ice golas, right? So here we are with a new healthy recipe. Let's start. You can take pineapple which is fresh and juicy and you can chop them into cubes. So this will add the tangy flavor to our popsicle. And for the coldness, which will give you the feeling of coldness and also give your body a cool temperature, let's chop down the ice apple too. So these are the seasonal fruits and they have different benefits. Like ice apple also have cooling effect in your body. So now I have chopped all the fruits. As you can see, we have watermelon, we have pineapple, we have ice apple, kiwi, strawberry, blueberries, mango and mint for that sweetness. And also now we have lemon which we will be squeezing in later. And if you don't have these fruits, don't worry, you can use some other fruits seasonally available which are tangy and sweet in nature. So now let's take coconut water. Coconut water will add potassium, so your post-exercise feeling low, then this will be the good choice. And now we will be adding these fruits to the coconut water. Mix them. Let's squeeze few drops of lemon which will add on to the vitamin C and also give that tangy taste. So let's add some chia seeds, which are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and now we will mix all of them. So now I have mixed all the ingredients and poured it into the glass so that it is much easier to pour into the popsicle maker. And for sweetener, we don't need any specific sweets or sugar because the fruits will itself add the sweetness. Now our popsicle makers are filled and now we can close them. So now our popsicles are ready to freeze. Okay. So now you can freeze this for 5 to 6 hours. Post that you can enjoy with your family. Kids would love it. And the way, if they are not enjoying the fruits, you can definitely make it in this way and then feed them. So here is the recipe of popsicle which you can go in and enjoy it post that.